Welcome my dear friends, welcome to Shanti Ghosh video. This video will be very interesting, exciting, and you will get total overview how to become Crorepati faster non-passive platform, become a millionaire. My dear friend, let us start the discussion. First of all, you should have financial growth. Let's say your goal is to become a crorepati or millionaire. Now, India normally call it crorepati. Crorepati is 1 crore Indian rupees is 100 lakhs Indian rupee. Millionaire 1 million US dollar is 10 lakhs US dollar. Indian equivalent is 7.5 crores. My dear friend, now you have a financial goal and how to achieve it. For different people, their financial goal is different, so you can set your goal amount based on your financial need. So first set your goal amount, explore the possibilities. You set the time period. By this time period you want to achieve this goal amount, execute it, and please remember that you should set your goal SMART goal. SMART means S specific, M is measurable, A is attainable or achievable, R is realistic, and T is time bound. So you should set your SMART goal, execute it, then you monitor periodically and you take the course of action if needed. My dear friend, simple rule to become rich. Your passive income should be more than your active income. You should have a multiple source of income, and your business should be in autopilot mode. My dear friend, in non-passive you are getting all the three, so you can build your own fortune. My dear friend, let us discuss on passive. Our Mr. MUFAREH is our honorable CEO and founder of ONPASSIVE. Now, over a period of about 4 years, ONPASSIVE has grown massive and it is beyond imagination. It's a global AI-IT company having multi-technology and multi-products. ONPASSIVE's total digital solutions, AI technology, you know the products and product details. It is available in www.onpassive.com. We have our own data center. First data center will be live. Then we have technology. It will be built very soon. Blockchain, 3D printing, physical products, you know already it is in advanced stage. 2 prototypes are successfully completed and it will reshape the planet. My dear friends, so ONPASSIVE is beyond imagination, growth is beyond imagination, and many more. My dear friend, ONPASSIVE founder position for the masses, first time in the world. This is a record, 1.3 million founders. ONPASSIVE to uplift humanity through revolutionary business platform CATMO using most advanced AI technology you are aware of. Now ONPASSIVE, to build ONPASSIVE is a top brand. Already brand building is going on in very rapid rate. To help homeless, poor and needy people through OBLESS. The OBLESS, it will be boon to many people, my dear friend. And our Honorable CEO already told his intention, his desire to make many millionaires, and he has repeated many times in many webinars, and he wants that people should have total freedom, financial freedom and time freedom, my dear friend. So, my dear friend, now we will discuss founders' income opportunities. ONPASSIVE platform is having a multiple income source. ONPASSIVE is the total paradigm shift. ONPASSIVE completely automated traffic driving phenomena designed to create wealth for you. So ONPASSIVE income opportunities for all the founders through the website built, maintained and operated by ONPASSIVE, and you will have a targeted traffic, and based on the sales made you will have a commission income. My dear friend, ONPASSIVE will have more income from data center. See, cost of operation it will reduce, because at present whatever cost we are incurring data center is a huge amount. So own data center will reduce cost. We will have a total independence and secrecy of the data. Also, data center can be utilized for hosting, and there may be income opportunities for the company. Then we are having physical products, we have a blockchain technology and 3D printing like this in the futuristic growth. So my dear friend, company's growth means founders growth, and you will have the opportunity, my dear friend. Now additional income opportunities for founders. So founders, apart from the commission income or opportunities for various income sources, they can make their own fortune. So they can become millionaire, or they can become a Crorepati, or you can achieve your goal faster through ad revenue. You can place your various companies ads in your website. So ad revenue, many people are earning huge ad revenue. So this is the opportunity. Now you can earn additional income through founder's own effort. You can, if you add the customers, you will earn additional income. If you are a teacher or educator, and if you are having a skill, you can earn from Academy. You have business, you can grow your business using the platform. There are various opportunities available. You can utilize O-commerce and OMart as an additional income source. Even our O-net, for many housewives, many people, if they wish, they can upload the videos and they can earn money. So there are many more income opportunities using the ONPASSIVE platform as a founder, my dear friend. So ONPASSIVE, our Honorable CEO has already mentioned that it is 100% success. From the day one of launch, your wallet will be green. Green means money in your wallet, and ONPASSIVE is 100% done deal. We have 1.3 million founders. They got the golden opportunity, golden key for their future. ONPASSIVE, we are lifting humanity. My dear friend, best wishes and thanks a lot for active watching. Thanks a lot.